Els clàssics estan per reivindicar-los, si més no de tant en tant. Aquest és el motiu que argueixo per haver-me posat una de les túniques clàssiques típico-tòpiques del cantautor lisèrgic. Per fer una mica més novedós, m'he posat el grimegio aquest del cap, que recorda una mica el cas que portava l'esquirol Rocky, d'aquella sèrie meravellosa que m'encantava de petit i em segueix encantant, Rocky i Bullwinkle. El Rocky era un esquirol aviador i el Bullwinkle no era un esquirol. En fi, fa un temps vaig llegir un article, vaig veure un post del YouTube, una sèrie de coses que parlaven d'harmonia inversa. No vaig entendre absolutament res. Ja em costa entendre l'harmonia que no és inversa. Doncs vaja, però hi havia com un quadre de conversió d'acords. Aleshores vaig provar amb uns quants temes de passar a la taula, veiem quins acords sortien, com funcionava. El que no m'agradava, doncs ho substituïa jo pel que em donava la irrealíssima gana. I, en fi, hi vaig aprovar una mica el Simple Twist of Fate, aquesta harmonia inversa, les meves cullerades, etc. Espero, veiem què tal com va això. Sat together in the park, watched the evening sky go dark. She looked at him, he fell a spark, tingled to his swan. That was he fell alone, and wished that he gone straight, and watch out for a simple twist of fate. Along by the old canal, a little confused I remember now, when they stopped into a strange hotel with a neon burning bright. He felt an emptiness inside and hit him like a freight train, moved by a simple twist of fate. Saxophone someplace far out played as she was walking down the arcade. As the last bus stopped, a little bit of shade when he was waking up. She dropped a coin to the cup of a blind man at the gate and forgot about the simple twist of fate. Woke up, the room was bare. He didn't see her anywhere. He told himself he didn't care and pushed the window open wide. Felt an emptiness inside to which he could not relate. Brought on by a simple twist of fate. He hears the ticking of the clocks and walks along with a parrot that talks. Hangs her by the waterfront dock where the sailors all come in. Maybe she'll pick him again. How long must we wait? One more time for a simple twist of fate. People tell me it's a sin to do and feel too much within. Still believe she was my twin, but I'd lost the ring. She was born in spring, and I was born too late. Blame it on bring me home. Me siento, estoy so feliz.